Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add bot to your Telegram channel. But before I show you how to do this, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. And go to your channel. Once you're inside your channel, you want to go to the top on your name, and from here, you want to click on Administrators. Once you are here, you want to click on Add Admin. Just type in rows and click on the second one. And then this bot will basically have change channel info, manage messages, manage stories, add subscribers, manage live streams, and you can also allow it to be able to add new admins. Then just click done, and that's it. The bot is here, and you can play around with it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.